We have not got any directions or patterns to follow. After more than a year of not uploading, I am finally back. We are going to have a look at a tie-dye kit. I don't even know if people do tie-dye anymore, but I mean, I'm always willing to try anything I can get my hands on. So I saw this, and the reason I decided to give this a go is because of the colors you get with this. You've got a blue, a green, and a royal blue, which can only work well together. It won't matter if the colors bleed into each other. I've tried it once before. I think it was pink, yellow, and blue. Some of the colors mixed, and I got this horrible brown color. That kind of put me off the whole tie-dye experience. But I mean, this is different. So on the box, the brand is called House Creativity. It says you can dye up to 9 projects, design your own stylish tie-dye clothing and accessories, and it tells us most vibrant fibers such as cotton, rayon, and silk. I've got no idea what rayon is. Having a look at the back, we've got the 3 main steps, and then they are giving you some tips. There's nothing unusual about these tips they are giving us. The most important one is apply dye within 45 minutes after mixing. Dye left unapplied after 45 minutes will begin to lose concentration and will result in a noticeably weaker color intensity. So I think that's the only one that's really important. The other ones are actually quite standard. So we've got our 2 white shirts that we're going to be using, and then this nice white tablecloth fitting. We're going to be using this dark green one. We do not want to ruin any nice thing. I'm hoping this is going to be an easy process. I am not in the mood for anything complicated, and I hope they've got some patterns for us to follow. We'll have to open the box and see. So let's get started on that. My word. Okay, so we've got one problem so far, which is we have not got any directions or patterns to follow. So we're going to have to YouTube this.
Find something easy to do.
The first one here, which I think is the royal blue. We've got the green one. We've got the powder blue. I'm assuming these are gloves, and then we've got the rubber bands. So now I'll have to go look up some YouTube videos and find something that I can actually do. So let's get started on that. Just want to show you a quick close-up. We've got the rubber bands, the gloves, and then we've got the 3 tie-dye color bottles. And there's nothing at the back of this. Just a piece of cardboard. So this is what we've got to work with. I've wrapped these two babies in Glad wrap, so they will be incubating for the next 8 hours. I'm a little bit scared of the end result. I didn't follow the videos as accurately as I should have, and the color as well of this dye kit seems to be very light, so I don't know what this is gonna look like, but I guess we'll find out in about 8 hours. Let me put these to rest. We are done with the tie-dye shirts, but they are so ugly. Let me rather show you what they look like. I will be linking the videos that I used in the description down below, so you guys can see how it's supposed to be done. My video is more of a what not to do. So this is shirt number 1. Not at all what it was supposed to look like. I will definitely not be wearing this. Look at this. It's all splotchy. Not like the video I tried to follow. And here is shirt number 2. Look at that heart pattern, or half of a heart I tried to draw. Because there was supposed to be a heart shape in the middle. As you can see, it did not turn out the way I was hoping. So in conclusion, I will be putting the whole tie-dye, a dream of mine, behind me, and I will never attempt any tie-dye again. I'm blaming myself for it, for not following those videos as I was supposed to, but also the brand of this tie-dye. The colors seemed very weak and not at all like the videos I saw, so I'm gonna put the blame 50% on me and 50% on the brand that we tried. I will not be doing this again. And now I've got these 2 ugly shirts. I've got no idea what I'm gonna do with these 2. I don't even think I can give these away. Until next time, guys. Cheers.